I support the amendment as per the order paper. Chair, I'd request to borrow your ear. Chair, I know that men are not very good at multitasking. So I beg to borrow your ear. Thank you, Chair. Chair, I just want to request that, and agree with Honorable Ichungwa, that if you can move by section, so that, because we are supporting the first part which retains public participation. However, I want to make a further appeal to you, because this process, as you already know, because of the time constraints, it may not be possible, especially because the chair has just moved a further amendment, which we are not aware about. Because then we would have done an amendment with amendment. I would actually encourage that you allow us, personally I wouldn't want to say to put it at 60, but to meet somewhere in the middle that we put it at 40. If you can allow us to bring a further amendment to the chair's amendment so that we put it at 40, because then it becomes meaningful participation. So Chair, with your indulgence, because it happens all the time, we can bring amendments here and we bring to you and you approve. If you can allow Honorable Nyikal to bring an amendment to put it maybe to 40 days, and I persuade Honorable Nyikal to move away from the 60 to 40. Otherwise, I support the earlier, the amendment as per the order paper of 16 to retain public participation. Thank you, Chair.
Honorable members, if you've been following, I will guide as follows, that we'll vote on the chair's amendments twice. We'll vote first on the first amendment, then after that we'll vote on the further amendment. I will also allow the Honorable Nyikal to bring a further amendment to the Honorable Gikaria's further amendment. So therefore,